Hello guys, this is Anjali from Jaipur and how are you today? I hope you are doing very well. So today I will tell you a story of butterfly. So if you don't know that what is butterfly, so butterfly is an insect that look like a flower. As you know, this flower is you can see that flower. So yeah, let me tell that for butterfly and I'm not speaking falsely. I will tell you a true story. One day I was going in our garden. So when I enter in the garden, so I saw a butterfly. Okay, so I was chasing that butterfly because that butterfly wing many colored, as you know, white and red and black and green. That is very colorful butterfly. So I was chasing that butterfly. Okay, so when I was chasing that butterfly, so suddenly I seen other more butterfly. That butterfly beautiful also. So I started to chase that butterfly. So I saw more other butterflies. So there was a lot of butterfly. So I was chasing all those butterfly, and I forgot that why did I go in the garden. I forgot everything and I was chasing that butterfly. Okay, so I think that I was chasing that butterfly for 2 3 hours. Then my mom sent my sister that go over there and see her that what she is doing. Okay. And my sister went in the garden, so my sister also chasing butterfly because there was a lot of attractive butterfly. So that's why my sister chasing that butterfly. And my sister forgot that why did mom send me? My sister forgot. Okay. So after some time, my mom went over there. So my mom scolded us, what are you doing and how did I send both of you? My mom scolded us. Mom, we forgot because there was a lot of beautiful butterfly. That's why we forgot everything. Whatever you did say us and whatever you did tell us, mom forgot us. So that's why, and mom scolded us, rebuke us. And so yeah, so that's why I'm saying that butterflies like this amazing insect. It is very beautiful insect than other any other insect. So that's why I'm saying you because this story and is very strong in my mind. That's why I thought that it is very important and it will be very attractive for a beginner. So how did you find and how did you find after watching that flower? It is very amazing and I hope this story very acceptable and very beautiful for you and very amazing.